Hello everybody, welcome to this video. It's 3 o'clock in the morning and it makes days that I'm hitting my head on the wall. But today I have a good news. If you are a user of LUA in a game and you want to extract those data of the game outside of the game, then you should watch my following video because I succeed to do it in WoW, so it means that now I can do it in all the game using LUA. So, how did I do that? If you have access to LUA in your game, it means that you can generate text. If you can generate text, do it. Like this, I did an add-on in WoW that allowed me to generate plenty of text, and I'm like super happy of that, and I'm like, yay, nice. The stuff is that in LUA, the texts are changing all the time of address, so it's not trackable in Cheat Engine. It's not done to counter Cheat Engine, but the structure of LUA don't allow to track text. So I was trying to find a way to be able to export those texts. So I was trying to export the value of the text instead of the text, but I was like too much work behind because I will have to convert every value and make something complex. And yeah, I want to export the text. So what I did, I created text in memory. And if you store a value in an index of an array, then this index will never change if it's a Boolean or a double. And so here, for example, I'm storing an ID that allows me to check where is the zone of the memory. So I was trying to read that and I was like, yeah, I can just read the following value and fail, because the stuff is that you not guarantee that the value behind it will be at the same address. And it was a pain in the ass for me before I realized that I can't have the guarantee that the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will be at the next address. And that's really, really sad. So I had to find another way. And my way was I set my application in a tag mode. And when I set in the tag mode, it means that I take every memory of the where is the tag mode? It's this one, I think. And yeah, I think it's this one. So, but yeah, that's this one. So basically, the tag mode is just that I'm asking all the memory that I'm kind of using here to be set at a certain value, like this value over there, like this. So you go in Cheat Engine, you do a new scan, and you type exactly double because LUA is double, and you look for this value. But you don't use it at any time. You use it when you are in tag mode. For me, it's when here it's 0. So I'm waiting. 0. Okay, tag mode. And ta-da! I have all the address that is having this number. And so that are mostly 99% sure to be one of the address where the text will be stored. So I have like 5,000 of memory of address in memory that are dedicated as double as text. So now the problem is that it's not guarantee the order because you're not sure it will store it in order. So what I did is that I put here the first number of the value when here it's the index of the array, and the value over there it's the character ID, the char character ID. So it's between 0 and 2555, something like that. I don't remember because it's with the 0 and 1 index of LUA, I'm not sure. And so basically here you can see that I can see text in the memory. So you just select all like this. Copy the select. I want to go over there. I click here, and then I go on the DOM like this. I say, can you copy the select address? I go here in the block notes like this, and now I have all the character of my 5,000 text. So I can write 5,000 characters over there of text. I can change that, but here it's already good 5,000. So now that I have all my texts ready over there, what you need to do is to read it in your software. So you can use C# or you can use Python. If you use Python, you use the C type of there, and then you read the value. And there is plenty of code that ChatGPT generated for me because I'm not a Python developer and it's not a topic I'm mastering. But what you need to give is you give the process ID, that is the WoW ID over there. And then you don't give that because that was before. Before, what I was doing is I was trying to read this one and then read all the following one. But this is useless now, because basically what you want to do is read all the given address, and I did not do that today. I will do that tomorrow. But you still need to read one address over there, because you won't read the memory 200 times a second. You want to read the memory when the memory changed. So you will have to do you will have to go in your code over there, and when you are in tag mode, you have a tag for an address in the memory, and if the value over there change, it means that you probably should reload the data. And so basically you just here set as increment, you just call this method, for example, so it will change in the memory the index, and you on your visual code, you will check that this address change. If it change, you take all the address over there and you read them, convert them in text, and ta-da! And so yeah, so basically why I'm happy here is because I did not find solution. This one is a heavy one. There is better solution that are more optimized, but boring and very technical. Here, the good part of this is you just need to take one address for the changing value and then copy the address for the text value, and you are good to go. And you will have the text that is over there in the screen. And the text that's over there in your screen can be plenty of information. For me, it's a key value system, but if you want to have any text, you can have any text over there. And so it worked for WoW, but it worked for any game that is using LUA. I did not try it. I will try in the future. So we never know. If you have a game that is in LUA and you want to extract the data and you are ready to pay me, feel free to contact me. I would be delighted to try and see if we can, and see all the technical issue that already take in my face. It also worked for other language than LUA, but here I'm just happy because I'm using LUA in WoW. But I have other technique to extract other data when it's not LUA, but here the topic was LUA. I really hope you like this video. I will continue tomorrow and the other day to extract those information, because I want to be able to play bots better on my game, and I also want to be able to play WoW in virtual reality. And to play WoW in virtual reality, I need to extract all those data, send them to a network, and then recover it on the quest, and like that I will be able to play WoW in augmented reality. That's what I try to do here. And also what I try to do with those value is to be able to do a Twitch game, but where you provide the information and you provide the way to send UDP message to control the game. Like exactly, it's a Twitch game, but where the game is controlled by people having the value and having the value in direct. So technically, you do the action before you can see it in my system, because you do the action, then there is the 3 second delay. So all that. I hope you have a good day. Me, I'm going to sleep. May the code be with you, and have a good day.